So this is Catherine's first hurricane. She's almost 5 months old. We have plenty of food and water. Samantha's been cooking basically for the last 2 days. The storm's supposed to start hitting us about 8 p.m. tonight. Its peak wind will be Category 1, maybe 90 miles an hour. So approaching Category 2 at the worst. But it's tracking up the west coast of Florida right now. Initially it was going to be a direct hit to Florida, straight up the east coast with the eye coming right over Jacksonville, but it shifted quite a bit west. So just out on the front porch, and Savannah took off running. She went to the neighbor's house. I don't know why. I guess she thinks we didn't love her anymore. They like to give her treats, but yeah, who knows. So far the wind's not too bad. Maybe like 40 mile an hour. Gusts, if that. Jags won 30 to 7, 10 sacks. That's a record for the team.
Raining. It's called hurricane. And it's gonna keep raining.
And later the trees are gonna be going whoosh, whoosh. But we're gonna be safe and snug, like bugs in a rug. Right? Right. Right.
That's a big gust. So it's about 7 a.m. and this is the worst of it. It's like 50 sustained with 80 mile per hour gusts. There's no standing water in the road, but in the backyard, in the preserve, the water's come up about 3 feet. So we got quite a bit of water rising into the backyard. Little tree limbs and stuff like that in the backyard. Heard a tree break and fall last night behind the house, so that was kind of scary. But all in all, not too bad. So it's Monday, about 2 o'clock. Still got some pretty good wind gusts, probably 30-40 miles an hour, but the majority of the storm is long gone. We escaped. No damage I can see. I don't see any wet marks on the ceiling, no missing shingles. Just a lot of dead limbs and